Welcome to the Creality 3D Scanner channel. This video covers the unboxing and scanning of Sermoon S1. Select a locally supported adapter head, and push it firmly onto the adapter until it clicks into place. Connect the DC power cable female connector of the data cable to the DC male connector of the adapter. Insert the Type-C port of the data cable into the scanner, and tighten the screws. Plug the adapter into a power socket. Plug the Type-A port of the data cable into the USB 3.0 port of the computer. You need to check whether your computer meets the scanning requirements before installing the scanning software. Attach large reflective markers 6 mm inner diameter to the car door surface. When applying, ensure they are randomly distributed with 60 mm to 100 mm spacing between points and placed on flat areas. Avoid sticking them on uneven or edge locations. Before scanning, you need to create a new project file. When scanning large objects, start by scanning the global markers to improve accuracy. Point the scanner at the car door, and adjust to the optimal distance. Automatically or manually adjust the exposure so that the markers in the IR window at the top right do not appear red or blue. After setting the exposure, maintain the optimal distance, click Start Scanning, and scan all the car door markers completely. After completing the scan, click Pause. Switch the scanning mode to point cloud scanning. Set real-time resolution to 0.5 mm. Select the laser type as cross lines, and click Preview. Maintain the optimal distance, and adjust the laser brightness so that the laser lines in the IR window at the top right do not appear red or disappear. After setting the laser brightness, and scan the car door completely until the quality map turns blue. After confirming the scan is complete, click Finish. Hold Shift and left click to select the point clouds you want to delete, then confirm the deletion. Select the data on the left, then click Fusion. Click Meshing. You can choose the desired format to export the model, and then proceed with the export. Attach small reflective markers 3 mm inner diameter around the object on the table. When attaching, make sure they are randomly distributed with a spacing of 20 mm to 50 mm between points. Scan setup. Select Point Cloud Scan Mode. Set the point distance to 0.3 mm. Choose Parallel Line Laser Type. Then click Preview. Once ready, click Start. Scan the object's surface from different angles with parallel line to ensure full coverage. Double-click the scanner's Start button to switch to single line laser. Slowly scan along the deep hole area to capture it completely. Click Finish. Click Fusion. Click Meshing. Scan setup. Select Infrared mode. Set the object to normal, target size to medium. Choose Geometry Tracking. Then click Preview. Point the scanner at the ceramic horse and keep it at the optimal distance. Enable Auto Exposure. Once ready, click Start. When the entire scan turns green, click Finish. Click Fusion. Set resolution 0.4 mm. Then click Apply. Click Meshing. Click Color Mapping. Sermoon S1 supports wireless scanning, but the wireless handle is not included in the package and needs to be purchased separately. Assemble the wireless handle. Turn on the wireless handle power. Connect the computer to the wireless handle Wi-Fi and set a password. Wireless mirroring, and scan the car door. This concludes the unboxing and scanning demonstration of the Sermoon S1. Follow our channel to learn more scanning tips.